What's up guys, it's Coco Airsoft. Today I'll teach you how to clean your TMI capa regular maintenance. So today we'll need just tissue. First let's disassemble our head capa. See this? We'll push that pin with that indent there. Take our slide up and then clean this later. Start with the slide. So the slide, mine is a 2-piece cow guide rod, so I have to do this one, like unlock the guide rod. There. Then unscrew the guide rod. First we get our toilet paper, wanna wipe through the nozzle, the slide itself. Just wanna do this. Just wipe it. And then after that, we'll set this aside. Get our hop-up chamber. Take that out. This one. Get another tissue. And then we're gonna wipe this part. Look at the dirt. It's very dirty. Just wanna wipe this part down. Outer band. Wipe this. Wipe it. Okay. This is good. Next, our spring and our guide rod. And get the toilet paper again. Do that to your spring. There's kind of dirt there. Get this. Then our short strokes, we wanna wipe that down as well. Oh, that's the washer. And then this part, see it's dirty, just wipe it down. Okay, now the guide rod. Just wipe it. It's kind of greasy. Now put this back. Boom, just like that. And then get our slide. This will just slide inside here. There you go. Guide plug in. This one. What I like to do is spring first in the guide plug, then the other part of the guide rod like this. Then I wanna hold this in the spring and then like that, and you can see it's not really in yet, so I just wanna push and then screw it on. Then push this forward and then keep screwing until it's tight. Okay, let's rewipe it all again. Alright, so our slide is complete. Let's put it aside. Our lower is fairly simple. I just want to get another toilet paper, tissue, whatever you want to call it. Just wipe the rails this part, this one in here, this one, back part, back side, inside of the mag, and yeah. So put this back together, line this up with this, and then get your slide stop, put it back in there, and then test it. Alright, perfect. So always remember to relube your pistol if you use it again. And yeah, that's how you clean and maintain your TM High Capa 5.1. Thanks for watching.